Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. My desire is to help you transform your space from house to home. Hey y'all, hey. So your girl is a little tired and out of breath. Because why? I just went in the attic and pulled out all my fall decor. Could not wait to get home. My husband and I just come back from our honeymoon / vacation / anniversary, all that good stuff. 1 year down, lifetime to go. Woo woo. But honestly, the whole time I was there, I could not wait to get home. Although I enjoyed myself, I enjoyed the time I spent with him. The back of my mind was on getting home and getting my fall glam on. Okay, so I have all of the monstrosity behind me. So I'm gonna go ahead, turn the camera around or set the camera up so that you guys can watch me unbox. I don't want to go one by one. I'm just going to do a time lapse and let you guys see all the goodies that I got last season, because I'm the type of designer that I like to buy off season. So if at all possible, I will not buy much of anything during the actual season itself. I always scope them out, see things I like, and just wait for them to kind of go down on sale. Most times they do. So a lot of these items that I will be pulling out will be 80, 90, 70, 6% off from last season's fall decor. Fall is one of my most favorite times of year, next to Christmas. So I have more of that than anything. Well, next to Christmas, I have more fall, then kind of spring, then summer. Kind of in the order of what I like, right? But anywho, enough babbling. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to start right here in front of me. Like to see it in the candy store. Okay guys, so let's dig in. Here I have unpacked a Dollar Tree bag. Apparently I have these beautiful metal plaques. I got 5 of those, and this is as you can see, a large. Initially I want to do a little DIY for my back door. These cute little pumpkin floral picks and the leaves, really cute. So my thought pattern with the unboxing is to take inventory of what I already have. Quick tip, try this before you go out to start shopping for any type of decor. Take inventory of what you already have. Some items can be repurposed, can be revamped, DIY, all that good stuff. So here I'm going through. These are items that I picked up from the At Home store during their 90% off, you guys. I totally scored with these. That it's actually 2 garlands there. I had the double wreaths. So I'm taking inventory of everything, trying to lay out the exact designs for each space. I love the traditional fall colors. And so I'm just unboxing. I have about 8 to 10 boxes here. This is my black and white collection. I decided at this point to start sorting everything out by collections. That way it helps me to better gauge what items I have, and if I need to purchase anything, what I would need to get. But my goal for this season and the next season and the next is to do 0 cost, because I have so many items for each season already. I just want to be wise in my spending and apply the money or the resources where they are most needed. So here I am just going to sort out everything. I love those beautiful cerulean pumpkins in my champagne collection. Again, you guys, many of these items are from 2-3 seasons ago, some even longer than that. My outdoor items are a little bit older because I wasn't a big holiday decor person until my YouTube. Well, I do a little bit of seasonal stuff, but Christmas has always been my major theme. Pretty much my house stayed the same until I got tired of the theme. But once I got into the decor, the seasonal decor, I really wanted to be wise in building those collections. So most of this have been built over the years. off season, of course. And that is a tip to you all. Don't try to rush out and just spend a lot of money if you don't have it. Now, if you have it, you balling out of control, shop to your heart's content. But for those of you that want to be frugally fabulous like your girl, I would say take your time and just build a collection piece by piece. And it gives you a little bit more gratification because you can look at your items and remember the time lapse or the time that you purchased it and how long you've had it, and just if you revamped it, those type of things. I think you cherish your items more when you put a little bit more sentiment in how you purchase. Now this, you guys, I was so excited about. I thought that I had broken them. I put something heavy on this box, but they are very well intact. That cerulean and the amber color, I absolutely love those. So they will be making an appearance somewhere for this fall season. These are my newest additions, those glam pumpkins. So love those. And this was another box here. I'm entering into that pumpkin there from Hobby Lobby. These, you guys, are from the At Home store. This was, again, some of those items were 75, some were 90% off. So I was excited to pull them out because it had been so long. I really forgot a lot of the things I purchased. Now, these were from Hobby Lobby. I got them for 90 cents a piece. They were 90% off. So I think I got about 6 of those. My outdoor fall decor is going to be lit. I have a massive collection, which you will see. Now this, I don't know if you can tell it now, but I am actually having a ball unboxing these items. That Ross pumpkin was something I wanted for quite a while, and I ran up on one. There's more of those grapevine pumpkins. And I'm moving on to the next box. Now here, these are items that I used from last season. And I'm going to revamp that and show you guys how to, again, just give things a new purpose. Here is an old centerpiece from the previous season. Nothing gets tossed away. I keep everything and just revamp it for the next season. This is my favorite, you guys. I love that metal pumpkin collection. I'm hoping to add to those after the fall season. They are all from Hobby Lobby, actually, so I will be adding to those. Absolutely love those. I'm going to let the rest of the video play out, and then I will display each collection as I get them all grouped together. And again, that's a tip. Group everything together, take inventory of what you have, and work it, baby. Let your creativity run wild. Let me share this with you guys. This box is my pillow box. That pillow is literally 10 years old. I purchased those in 2009. Now that one is new. I got that last year. But just to show you how, if you keep your items, take care of them, store them properly, they will last you for years to come. These are from TJ Maxx from last season. Absolutely beautiful. And look how that comes together. Here are my collections. I feel as though I have gone to the store and did a massive shopping haul, only to have gone to my attic to do the same. So here is each collection, and I will begin to style and get everything properly placed. So the next video that you guys see will be fall related, of course. Now, if you're new to the channel and you see what you like and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join this TMB family. I would love to interact with you on my other social media sites, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. To my tried and true, I want you to know that I love and appreciate you all for your continued support. This channel would not be what it is without you. So kudos to the TMB family. Now, until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day.